my channel, and in this video we are going from curly to straight. And if you saw my latest video, you saw that I recently did a keratin treatment, so I'm excited to show you guys how I've been straightening my hair now that my curl pattern is a little bit more looser. And the brand TYMO was kind enough to send me the TYMO ring so that I can use it to straighten my hair for you guys. I have this towel wrapped around my hair because I just washed my hair and I want my hair to towel dry just a little bit before I start blow drying it. So I'm going to show you guys this hair tool real quick. All right, here is the TYMO Ring hair straightening comb. And then I was also sent the argan oil infused heat protectant. And as I open the box, there is a lot in here. So let me show you guys all that comes with this hair straightening comb. So in this area here, we have some info about the hair straightener and directions on how to use it. So first, it comes with this mini brush, and I'm obsessed because it has a chrome finish. This is gonna be perfect for me to put in my bag as I go to modeling gigs and need to do like quick touch-ups with brushing out my hair. It also comes with 2 hair clips so I can section out my hair as I'm straightening it. And it comes with this heat protectant glove, and this is everything. I love that it's not just black, but it's very girly. This feels like some super high quality stuff. It sits on my hand very comfortably, and I know sometimes using a glove can kind of feel awkward when you're trying to do your hair, but this one actually feels like it's going to be very easy for me to use while I'm styling my hair. And then we have the actual hair straightening comb, and it comes in a heat protectant bag, which is also great for travel. Here is the comb. The design is super innovative. And it has a little weight to it, so you know that it's a good hair straightening tool, but not too much weight where it would make your hand tired as you're trying to straighten your hair. But this feels like a super high-end luxe product. I'm gonna open the heat protectant because I'm gonna spray my hair to prep it to blow dry, because I want to blow dry my hair first so that way I have it nice and stretched out so that I can get the maximum results from the hair straightening comb. So as you guys can see, although I did the keratin treatment and it loosened up my curls a bit, I still have them, and I'm still going to need to do some prep work in order to stretch them out before I use the TYMO ring. I'm going to spray this and mostly focus on my ends, and this actually smells so good. And I love that it has argan oil in it too, so that way my hair won't be left feeling so dry. And I'm going to use this wide tooth comb to help distribute the heat protectant throughout the hair. Now it's time to blow dry the hair, so I'm going to section off into 4 sections to make it a little bit more manageable for me. And I'm going to use my TYMO clips to help me keep the hair sectioned. I'm also going to use this mini brush to help me with blow drying my hair to make sure that I get it nice and stretched out. Got the blow dry all finished, and I'm going to spray a little bit more heat protectant on the ends of my hair now that we're going to use the TYMO ring. So as soon as you plug it in, it starts to light up blue, and then to turn it on, you're just going to press the power button, and then you can use the arrows to change the temperature settings. So I'm going to put this at the highest setting, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest setting is 266 degrees Fahrenheit, but I love the fact that I can change the heat settings. So if I end up having to put a little bit more heat on my hair towards the middle of the week for a shoot, I don't have to use the highest setting. And this heats up really fast. It only takes 60 seconds. And as this is heating up, I want to tell you guys a little bit more about the TYMO ring. This has a 30-minute auto shut off, which is perfect for me because sometimes I'm in such a rush, and then I'll leave the house, get to my destination, and then I'll freak out because sometimes I don't know if I remember to shut off my heating tool. So this will make sure to turn itself off for me. What's also really cool about the straightening comb is that it has a 360 swivel on the cord, so it's going to be really easy for me to get the different sections of my hair at any angle because this is going to work with me. My favorite thing about this is that it's dual voltage, which means I can use it overseas, and if you're watching from overseas, you can use it as well. So I'm going to divide my hair in half first. So I'm going to start off using small sections, and for the sake of showing you guys my first impressions and the results you get, I'm going to just start off with this first piece at the top so you can see it a lot better as opposed to starting off further in the back. First, use this brush to detangle the hair, and then I'm going to get the TYMO ring. I'm going to get super close to the root because it has an anti-scalp mechanism, so I'm not going to burn my scalp, and just slowly go down the hair. Oh my goodness. Look at how straight my hair got with one pass. And look at the shine. I'm gonna show you guys another section. Look how sleek and straight my hair is. Like my roots are even straight. And that's literally with one pass. One pass. So I noticed that I was getting through my hair pretty quickly, and after like 5 minutes I was able to finish one quadrant, and I want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how we started. And the factor that's really playing a key is that this is not only a straightener, but it's also a comb, so it's helping to evenly distribute the heat throughout each of my strands, so that way I only have to pass through the hair once, which is helping to really speed up the straightening process. And because I only have to pass through the hair one time, it'll help with preventing heat damage. And it was super easy for me to get all the different sections of my hair at any angle because of the swivel cord. Alright, I'm all finished. The results are absolutely incredible. It literally took me half the time it normally would for me to straighten my hair, and the results are insane. My hair is so silky, so shiny, and extremely soft. So I will have the TYMO Ring linked in the description box below. This hair tool is compatible with all hair types, so if you want sleek, shiny hair, I highly recommend this tool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one, ciao.